Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
It's time to take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Lisa Mateo alongside Paul Sweeney, and we are joined by Bloomberg's Natalia Najevich. Want to start out with, well, Paul calls it Frito-Lay. It's Pepsi.
It's Pepsi, right.
It's Pepsi, but they have other brands, Gatorade, Quaker. How are they doing so far?
Yeah, so shares of Pepsi, ticker is PEP, are up by 6.4%. The company maintained its outlook for the year, and also sales growth beat analyst expectations. Interestingly, that the sales growth is mainly driven by international purchases and growth. I don't know what to make out of it, because maybe, I don't know, Americans don't drink Pepsi anymore.
Are you a Pepsi or a Coke person?
No, I'm trying to be super healthy. Just water with lemon.
God, you guys are killing me here.
I know.
A girl on my same page here.
So organic sales growth for the second quarter was 2.1%, again, beating expectations. Pepsi, however, said that it continues to expect incremental supply chain costs throughout the end of the year. Piper Sandler analyst is also saying that North America food segment is still challenging. Growth is coming from international sales, and RBC analyst is saying that this stock price reaction is not actually surprising because expectations were so low ahead of this report.
Okay, all right. I mean, again, you throw a Pepsi in front of me, I'm happy as a clam to drink that. United Airlines.
Yes, United Airlines ticker UAL. Shares are up by almost 4%. We know that the carrier dropped its adjusted earnings per share forecast for the full year. We know that flight disruptions driven by this air traffic control outages and also construction in Newark Liberty International Airport dragged down some of those results. But United Airlines said that the second half of this year could be a little bit more predictable. And the management said that there is a chance that they could beat earnings expectations. At the same time, they also mentioned that this recovery among low-income consumers is still challenging. It still sits at somewhere around 50% of what the company expected in the beginning of the year. And they also said that inflow from European tourists and international students is challenging. I don't know what to make out of international students. Is it like people are saving money, or is it a visa issue?
I think it's the latter. I think I heard from Duke University, it's a super big problem getting their international kids in. Yesterday, I did the first thing, which I'm 61 years old. How often do I do something for the first time? Very rarely. I went to Newark Airport via mass transportation. I took the subway to Penn Station.
And you're still alive.
New Jersey Transit to Newark Airport.
Yes.
The air train to the airport, and then a little shuttle bus from the air train to Terminal A. I tell you, it was, I'm guessing, half the time from a car service from the Upper East Side here. Because it takes an hour to get out of the city from the Upper East Side.
Right.
To
So
get
you didn't
across.
hit all the traffic.
So I think I'm going to do it all the time now. So a new thing at this age. Go figure. Lucid.
Lucid, yes. Shares are up by 37%, but keep in mind, on a 12-month basis, they're still down by 22%. There's only one buy rating for the stock. We know that Uber Technologies is partnering with Lucid and a startup called Nuro to launch robotaxi fleet. The plan is to deploy about 20,000 robotaxis over the next 6 years. And separately, Lucid also plans to do this 1-for-10 reverse stock split. Companies usually do that to avoid delisting. But you guys spoke about this robotaxi. I don't know if I would be brave enough to take robotaxi in New York. I don't think so, because people drive like crazy here.
They do.
Exactly.
It's the Wild West.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.